Oh, yeah. Here, what do you want me to do? Can you hold anything? Or you reel your net? Or...
I ain't gonna come up. Up there, boy.
Okay.
The current too makes it feel like we're pulling harder. Got him.
God, he's a good one.
Oh my hand.
What can I do to help?
Hang on a line or something.
Let me hold the pole.
That's another line. I got your braided line, dude.
You got his braided line?
Yeah.
Let me hold this pole. Look.
Yeah, if you want.
And he didn't swallow the hook. Good little flathead buddy.
Not right in the corner of the mouth.
God, he's pretty. God, I get excited about a flathead.
I don't know if I can say it. I don't know.
We're going to tag him. Ooh.
I've got back.
Oh, I was getting ready to say, I just feel like you did that. But you did do that a while ago. Get one and then lose it. Ooh, God.
Third fish.
Look what it did to his mouth.
Oh, that's a healthy one.
How'd you...
Didn't do it. It was like that. It's coming off the nest. I swear I didn't do it.
Okay.
I hooked him on this side anyway.
Okay.
I didn't do that. Crazy. Coming off the nest.
Yeah, but
You put him on his own stringer.
somebody caught him before he did that.
Think?
Yeah, that's a ripped lip. Somebody didn't want to get the hook out and they just ripped it out. Promise they did. Good. Let me catch him.
You don't have any packs of water up over the hill?
Yeah, I am. I'm going to take a half bucket at a time.
Yeah.
Now I wish I got that water bag scene. They make a water bag. You can carry easy on your back.
Reel that up some.
Here, just let me hold that. My
Braided
hand.
line came off. It's off right now. It hurt. In the middle of the damn bay. Or on a cut bait.
Yeah.
Yeah, a freaking giant live booty.
This is our secret. We're not telling anybody. We're glad you told us, but we ain't telling nobody.
Yeah.
Hey, I got one of them fire escape ladders that hangs over a thing with rope. Throw it over that thing up there.
He's headed now. Do that to it. I'm like, that's weird. I wouldn't do that.
You did the other one.
I didn't do it.
You did poke through the
Yeah.
chin.
How else was I supposed to do it?